Today I have to talk on very important subject. That subject is the whole world is facing economic slowdown. So I have to give message to the young people for India, for whole the world. I think young people should go into businesses. They have to stop finding jobs because jobs are out of date. Jobs, look, if you are finding jobs, who will give you jobs? There, there, there are millions of job cutting is happening right now. In the coronavirus situation, we are facing such a biggest economic disaster. Many big corporations are cutting jobs. Okay, so you have to pay your bills. So how can you move ahead? So I have to suggest you that we have today Google. If we are finding some opportunities, some innovation, some creation, then maybe we can fill that gap. That gap who has created from the economic slowdown. Let me tell you something about the job. If you are doing some any kind of job, so it feels like you have not developing your own vision. Okay, and do you know about that very famous proverb and famous thought about it? The whole words 90% people are working for money and 10% people are working uh, uh, 10% people they have money and money works for them. So 10% people are doing businesses and investing money in a real estate and many businesses. Okay, so 90% people are working day to day for 10% people. So it is like a slavery, it is like a economic slavery. So how can we break that one? If we want to, we if we have to break that economic slavery, so we have to find our own creations, own innovations. You have to think that how can I help to solve human problems? You have to find out, just look to your surround, and that you have to catch the one problem, human facing problem, and you have to create solution about that. This is the business. Okay, business is nothing like rocket science. It is simple things. Only look in the whole world. Only there are only two people. One is buying, one is selling. Sellers are only 10%, buyers are 90%. So I want that you have to start selling your ideas, selling your innovations, selling your creations. Okay, so main foundation is you have to find solutions for each and every human problem, environmental problem, okay, social problem, each and find out the problem and make a solution. That's the business. And our education system from India also, from USA, from whole the world. So our education system is creating slave people. Our exams are killing talents. Our exams are killing innovations. So today we have a Google, we have a uh, such a greatest thing, internet on the earth. Okay, so we have a laptop, we have a mobile phones, we can keep memory in mobile phones, in laptop. But our education system is forcing us to read books, keep in mind, and then write on the paper. This is completely nonsense thing. Exams are dead. Exams are not useful in upcoming world. Education should be examless. Education should be based on grades. Just imagine if 100 students are in the one class, and a teacher has give to some human problems to solve 100 people, and he decided that if you can come with the solutions, I will give you a grade. And I need a practical solutions. You have to go outside the world, find out the solution, write it down, and convince me that this is the solution, so I can give you a grade. Grade system is good, but exam is a very dangerous. Can you believe it? Can you? You will be surprised that the whole world's knowledgeable people, greatest business people, they have not educated. Okay, and if you want to do business, there is no need for any kind of academic education. Okay, these people real need real education. Real education is on the road, not on the books, on not on the I mean making such a big marks and degrees. Okay, so education business people are selling degrees of your classes, degrees of your courses. So I have to tell you to the whole young people from the globe that you have to find your own solutions to human problems and converting that solutions into businesses. This is the only solutions, because we are facing such a biggest slowdown, economic slowdown. Okay, and in India, let me speak about India. We have no jobs in India, and our government has also not creating any jobs because it is a slow economic slowdown. And we have such a biggest population, one crore, 100 crore and 36, 100 crore and 36, 136 crore population is too much. It's more, such a billions of people are living in India, and 7 to 80% people are living in below poverty. They are such a poor people, and we are creating such a population also in India. I would like to suggest our politicians that we have, you can make a law that for the birth control, that will be essential thing in India right now. So this is my message today. I feel that I have to speak on economic slowdown, and I have to, if I have to give the message to many people that find out your own, stand on your own feet. Okay, create your own vision, create your own goals, and develop that vision to creating solutions for humanity. Okay, so there are many millions of opportunities. Just go to the Google, find out, just write down your hobbies. Okay, and convert that hobbies into businesses. Let me tell you something very about the business. People have created dirty things, given dirty things in the name of business. Business is a good word. Okay, what people are doing? People are selling some good products and good services. Is this, is there wrong? No, there is no wrong. You have to create your own product or own service and sell to the people. That is the greatest thing. Okay, so wealth creation coming from ideas, wealth creation coming from innovations, wealth creation coming from your own hobbies. So today I will stop here within few seconds to say you that job is nowhere in the world. You have to find your own businesses, find your own ideas, and convert that ideas into solutions and offer to the whole world. World will buy from you and you will get money. Thank you so much.